things continue to be put back on the truck, and what we're seeing here is the populating it with the e-brake cable, as well as the boots that go with transmission transfer case. We also have pedals in, pedal pads. That assembly's been in for a bit, but you can see we have brand new pedal pad right on the pedals themselves. Obviously our fuel tank, our accelerator, and it goes up. Nice new yellow zinc chromate there. More things go on the dash here as well. We will clean these up. We'll just freshen these. These are original. We'll freshen these up and make them whiter than what they are right now. More things are going on and in. Whenever we have to bolt something in, we just go into our reservoir of yellow chromate, zinc chromate, and grab it out and bolt it right in. Also, door strikers are down there waiting to go on. As well as portions of the door are being assembled. These are brand new clips that we're putting in. These clips allow for the door panel to go right on, as well as other items that will hold mechanisms in. Regulators, locking mechanisms, linkages, things of that nature.